Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is our first time being shore, and this is still soft wool and it can be used for carpets or blankets. Now, you'll see when John is shearing the sheep, the main skill is to keep the sheep calm and relaxed. That's very, very important. And when he's shearing, he always keeps rotating or moving the sheep around. That's when he keeps rotating, moving the sheep around, that's easy on him and easy on the sheep. And all the wool then goes on to the United Kingdom for washing and processing. No wool is processed in Ireland, it goes on to the United Kingdom. And that skill of shearing is very much like you and me go to a physiotherapist or a chiropractor. The main thing they have to do is to keep us calm and relaxed, and John has to do the same with the sheep. Now, when we grew up here in the farm, we did the shearing 2 times a year. That's going back 30 odd years ago, the wool accounted for 35, even 40% of the income of the farm. Now, 2 years ago we got $2 to $3 per sheep we shored. Last year we got absolutely nothing for the wool. So all 2017 wool is still in storage, and we can store it for 2 to 3 years. And then if you don't sell it, you have to give it away for nothing. Because wool is a product that do not burn, it always has to be processed and the body fats removed. Now, you can see there when John is shearing the sheep, the main skill is to get off the wool into one piece. That's very, very important. And you can see the wool is becoming beautiful and white in colour, and the reason that's the warm weather, the lanolin in the wool is melting. So the first thing John will do is to give the sheep medication for their health and well-being. So it's like a cough bottle mixture to kill the parasite liver fluke. And then last but not least, he'll apply the identification of the farm. And the identification of the farm, he'll stamp the letter K for Kissane on their right side and red on their back side. So every farmer, different colours and different identification. Now when you're driving along in your car, touring coach, you'll always see the different coloured sheep. So the 2 popular colours are red and blue. It's very easy to see the red and the blue. And then the next colour would be purple and yellow and green are last. So when John just shear one, he never leave him alone. He'll just